now we're going to switch out our attachment in the front end. So we've got a bucket on here now. We're going to switch that out and put our grapple on. That way we can pick some things up. We've spread out a pile of dirt full of limbs and other things, and we're getting ready to plow the field. So plowing the field doesn't do well with trees in the middle of it, does it? So we are going to take the bucket off of here, get the grapple on, and get this thing cleaned up so that we can plow the field here in a few weeks. Okay, today we're going to work with this grapple. It's actually a Land Pride 72-inch grapple with a third function. I actually had that installed when we bought the tractor. It's actually on the actual handle for the articulating and the loader control. What we've done here is we've spread out some dirt that was full of sticks and limbs and roots and things like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to scrape the ground real good with the grapple, pick them up, put them in the trailer with the 706, and get them out of here. We want to get this field disc in so we can start planting here real soon in the next few weeks. So good chance to clean up the ground and get it ready to go. All right, let's get to work. As you can see, we got it all picked up. Looks pretty good. Got a trailer full of roots and old burn pile stuff, and now this field's pretty much ready to go. We got a few things to pick up, but that's why you have kids, right? So hopefully we'll get a disc in the ground here real soon and get this thing ready to plant some grass and make it look pretty.